So this is Magic. You saw videos early on, a couple months ago, when we first brought him into the area, and then we've gotten away from the training. So he's back again now as the new project. We just finished with Rebel, the white pony that you saw Danielle riding, and now this is our next rescue, our next save right here. Because if anything at all touches him on the right side, he would completely go into a bucking fit and be gone. So a pebble hitting the pipes would cause him to set off. So we had to advance it with some other tools that we could kind of make right at home. Rocks in a milk bottle so that he gets that sound sensitivity out, as well as the touch and the feel. So let's show you where he's at with this now. Now this was the real bad side. Anything over here would set him off. So you got a little bit nervous there. And then I'll just ask him to relax with me. Let him know that I'm never going to get him hurt. And then try it again. And then I'll retreat. And then I'll retreat, walk away, and then reapproach. So maybe some of you need a tip like this, a little way to kind of advance your desensitizing. Good.